In this Python tutorial, we will learn how to use the bin built-in function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. The bin function returns the binary version of a specified integer. Let's do examples to understand how the bin function works. I created a variable and assigned the value 8. I sent the variable to the bin function. I can see the binary value of the number 8 on the console screen. Binary value always starts with 0b. From right to left, it has the values 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, and 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the third power is equal to 8. Let's take a look at the binary value of the number 15. Finally, let's take a look at the binary value of the number 30. Now let's try using the binary function in classes. I created a class. There are 3 variables in this class. The function in the class will add 3 variables and return. But the class is currently of non-integer class type. Therefore, the code will throw an error. We need to make the class capable of returning integer values. To do this, we can use the index method. Thanks to the index method, the class can now return integer values. In this Python tutorial, we learned how to use the bin built-in function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.